Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to fine-tune which emails appear offline on your Gmail app, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the updated method for syncing days of emails so you can balance speed, storage, and access exactly how you want. First, open the Gmail app on your device. The app is your gateway to a fast, organized inbox, and the changes we're making won't affect your actual messages. Just how many days of them are kept available for offline access. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This opens a navigation drawer with all kinds of Gmail options, from labels to filters. Next, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This is where Gmail stores your account preferences. If you have multiple accounts, tap the specific email account you want to adjust. You'll notice several sections here, each designed to tailor your Gmail experience. We're focusing on data usage, which governs how your app handles offline content and syncing. Under data usage, you'll find days of emails to sync. This control determines how many days worth of messages are stored on your device for quick access when you're offline or when the connection is slow. The fewer days you choose, the less space Gmail uses on your phone. The more days you select, the more you can browse recent conversations without needing to fetch data from the internet every time. Tap days of emails to sync. You'll see a list of options from a single day up to several weeks. Choose the number that fits your needs. For instance, if you often work on the go without reliable Wi-Fi, you might select a longer window, like 7 or 30 days, to keep recent emails readily available. If you're short on storage or use multiple devices, a smaller window, 3 days or 7 days, helps you stay efficient while conserving space. After you pick your preferred setting, exit settings. Your choice takes effect across the Gmail app, so you'll start to notice faster loading for recent messages and a lighter footprint on your device. If you ever want to revisit this, return to the same path. Menu, Settings, Your Account, Data Usage, Days of Emails to Sync, and adjust as needed.